Good morning, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. I'm traveling in the middle of the Washington state. This is the, behind us here is the Columbia River, and east from us right here, that would be Quincy, Washington, and the other side would be Ginkgo petrified forest right here too. And look at this tree, it's a sagebrush. It's really nice, the good structured tree. This is for the study. Let me show you around how to create the tree close to the Mother Nature tree look like. See this tree, I don't know how long they've been grown right here, and the spirit of the tree you can see here, so beautiful. We're not too far from the Highway 90 right now. The tree everywhere right here because the weather training the tree by themselves. So beautiful. And let me show you around the other part. Looking at the tree right here, they're growing in between rock. See the tree behind right there? That's the tree. It's really nice. Too bad we're not allowed to take it out any tree from here. We need to get the special permit, I believe. And this is also the nice tree around it. Nice structure. We have a young tree like this too. All the same plant. They've been grown here. This area is a little bit cold temperature in the evening. Right now is probably 50 degrees, 50 Fahrenheit in Washington state. You can see some of the trees grow in between rock, and they've been growing by themselves. This is really dry area. Cross the river at the other side is desert actually. Even on the top right there, small tree. Right here, see how beautiful this tree right here. There's another one. This is another one beautiful tree. This tree is so healthy, and the trunk and the branches give you a lot of spirit. They grow next from the rock right here. See the rock formation, the landscape, so beautiful. The reason I bring this information, just let you study the tree in Pacific Northwest, to give us some idea how to design your tree too close to the structure, what they look like. Look at that tree. That's probably a damaged tree, but looking at the nice structure right there, so beautiful, so beautiful. Even the tree on the other side right there, look at this right here, and also this one here is showing you the spirit of the tree. Everywhere the tree right here talking to me. The reason I give you this information, look at the structure of the tree, so beautiful. And every single branch is like a small bonsai. Look at this here. Look at right here. It's like a small bonsai. This is the structure. Personally, I like this kind of structure. Instead of using the wire, if we can get the tree like this, that would be beautiful. Again, the tree, they can grow in between the rock like this, and they're growing very good, very strong, give you spirit. So beautiful. Lily will be interesting is the tree right here, and showing me so how beautiful the structure right there. Yep, just need a little bit training. Actually, you don't need any training. That would be nice, and not too far from us here. Do you see the structure right here? Give you some idea. This is what we want to do. Another nice tree. They're growing in between rock. Again, we can stay here for the whole day to view this. Nice to develop. As you know, this is the rock behind us right here, the lighting condition may change in the morning to the afternoon to give you a different shade, so the plant look like that they will go the other side. They try to get the light as early as possible, so that's why they have a good sign like this. Okay, this is for today. Stop by a little bit right here. You can see this area, how beautiful. And again, there's a Columbia River right there. That rock, what you see here is a lava rock. It's really strong. And a lot of root right here is really good to give you spirit, and all related together. This tree, if they grow in, if we allow to dig it out, that would be really great looking. Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and thank you again, and see you later. Bye.